Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a to-do list using JavaScript. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring a VS Code editor and some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS to create a beautiful interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. Here is the HTML file. This is the basic structure of HTML. I have added the title as to-do list and these are some links. Now starting with this link, this is the CSS file which I have attached. This is present in the assets folder. Now I have also added the Google APIs fonts and this is the link for the font awesome, which will have the icons. I'll be using the icons of the font awesome and the Jquery. I'll be using the Jquery in this project, so this is the link for it. Now this is the body section. It is a simple unordered list over here, and these are the list items. The class I have mentioned to have the icons which are available in the font awesome. Okay, there's a text field over here present, and okay, you can see this plus icon also, and there will be 4 items present initially. This attend physics class, attend maths class, chemistry class, and CS class. Okay, and then I have attached the script file. Okay, it is also present in the assets folder, so I have attached it like this. Okay, this is all about the HTML. Now let's see our CSS. Okay, this is the CSS. I have attached this class over here, and I have added this property of the color and the text decoration. Okay, I have designed the container, provided the margins and the width, and the body also. Okay, and okay, I have also added this hover feature in the list item, so when you hover it, you'll see this transition. Okay, you'll see a linear transition, and you can also design it in your own way to have a better interface. Let's move to the JS part. Okay, so this dollar is used to write the document dot get element from id. Okay, then this ul is passed over here, so it will talk, it will have the unordered list. It will get the unordered list, and I have attached the on click feature. So clicking on any list item, this function will trigger. Okay, what it will do that on the list items, it will toggle class completed. Completed is present in the CSS file. Okay, it will make the color to gray and have a line through it. Okay, this is the feature for the clicking on the any list item. Now let's delete a item. So similarly we are running this function. Okay, and it will use this jQuery function fade out. 500 is the milliseconds, and after 500 this function will run. Okay, this remove function removes the list item. Okay, removes the list item from the list. Now let's move to the text field. Okay, this input text field has a key press function. Okay, uh, this 13 is the ASCII value for enter key. Okay, so whenever the user presses this enter key, okay, this is the check over here. If user presses the enter key, extract the value. Okay, from this it gets the value from the text field. Dot value takes the value and store it in this variable to do. Then it uh, then the value is set to null, and finally we need to extract the value and add it in the list. So again the dollar and the ul over here, and dot append function adds the html line. Okay, this is the html part, and to do text is the text which we stored over here. Okay, and finally the plus icon, you can see this is to toggle the text area. Okay, now I have tagged this over here dollar and input text field, and use this jquery method fade toggle. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, you can see four of them are present initially, four items, and on hovering over it, it shows the icon. Okay, this is the trash icon present in the font awesome, and on clicking this plus icon, it toggles the input text area. So if I write something like buy milk and press the enter key, it gets added. Okay, and if I press this like normally, okay, it clicks, it removes the items. Okay, you can see the feature uh, of line through feature. Okay, okay, this was it. So I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.